Heat up some oil. Fry the proteins and set aside. Add the chopped onions to the hot oil and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the SFK ginger and garlic mix, followed by all-purpose spice. Stir to combine before adding the pepper mix. Pepper mix contains pepper, onions, and garlic. Stir well. Put in the SFK jollof mix and stir. Add in seasoning and salt as well. Stir and put in the mixed veggies. Stir and allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. Go in with the chicken and gizzards. Stir to combine. Adjust the taste before adding your cut rice. After adding your cut rice, stir very well to combine. Take your time because this step is very crucial in marrying everything together. Finally, go in with a third cup of cooking margarine for added flavor and softness. Stir until it is well incorporated into the rice. Done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.